Hello, good morning. We are here at Google Classroom. As for now, we are learning distance. For my first grade, we use Facebook group through live for them. But I would like to introduce for them the Google Classroom also. In Google Classroom, we need to have our account, or if you already have account, Google, your Gmail, your email, you can use that. And here is your photos, you have your account, your drive, the work that you already done, and then Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and slides, which is a PowerPoint that you can do in here too. And then here, if you can see the plus button, you can either join the class, but you need to have a passcode in there. If you want to create this one, just simply click the create class and then click continue. And it will bring you here. You can type your class name, first grade, lesson 1, and subject math, English, science, or art, or history, and then you click create. After that, it will bring you in this one. You open this, and here it is. If you want to background or the theme in here, like example you're in math, here in the right side and the bottom, you can select theme or upload photo that you have a specific that you like. We select the theme here, and here you have your math and science, arts, sports, history, or English, or general. We can use, let's see this. Select class theme, and it will change here automatically. There. And here, share something with your class. You can click that one, and you can begin typing, introduce yourself, introduce what's the lesson for this week or discussion for this week. And also, if you have works that are already done, and you can also attach video through YouTube, so your file, or go from your Google Drive. We go to our Google Drive, because I have work in there too. You can select this one and select the file, select the add, and it will automatically select again. Go to the Google Drive. If you want more file to attach in there, for example that one, and you can add and add, and then if you type something in there, it will show this one, the option post, and you can post that one, and it will post your discussion for this week. Here we have a classwork. What's in the classwork? Classwork, we can send them assignment or quiz assignment, material questions. If we click example, we create assignment, title, math, also your instructions, and you can either add file that already done or create. It will bring you option Microsoft Word, slides, Microsoft Excel, all drawing or forms. Example, we add here. I already prepared one. I will go to my Google Drive because I save it through there, and I made it through there anyway. And this is one of their assignments, and select that, and it will show here. Here also you can select all your students in class, what class, this class or this class. You can select, and the points of their assignments. You can also change that one, and you can also select the due date when they're going to finish their assignment, and also the topic. You can create the topic and the rubric, and it will automatically say there, assign schedule, and that's for that one. And also you can add your teachers and your students in here as well, same here too. So this is the Google Classroom that is really useful for the class to use, and I will use this one as this time we're having a learning distance. So thank you, bye.